Did you know that we know more about the surface of the moon than the depths of our own oceans? It's a staggering thought, isn't it? Our oceans, covering more than 70% of our planet, remain largely unexplored, their secrets concealed beneath miles of dark, pressurized water. These vast, mysterious depths are home to countless enigmas waiting to be unraveled. So, are you ready to embark on a journey into the unknown? Let us dive into the top 10 mysteries the ocean hides beneath its waves. Starting with number 10, the infamous Bermuda Triangle. An enigma that has intrigued and baffled us for generations. Nestled in the Atlantic Ocean, this notorious triangle is formed by connecting the dots between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Covering approximately 500,000 square miles, it's a vast sea of mystery. Over the centuries, numerous ships and aircraft have vanished without a trace within this seemingly ordinary stretch of ocean. Notable disappearances include the USS Cyclops in 1918 and Flight 19 in 1945. Despite extensive search operations, neither wreckage nor survivors were ever found, adding fuel to the fire of speculation. Is it a magnetic anomaly disrupting navigation systems? Or perhaps a natural gas methane hydrate causing water to become less dense, sinking ships? Or could it be something more otherworldly? Theories abound, but concrete evidence remains elusive. Whether these disappearances are due to natural phenomena or something more mysterious, we may never know. Moving on to number 9. Have you heard about the Bloop? It's a peculiar name for a peculiar phenomenon. The Bloop is an ultra-low-frequency, high-amplitude underwater sound that was detected by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, in 1997. This sound, picked up by hydrophones across the Pacific, was loud enough to be heard over 5,000 kilometers away. The eerie part? It was unlike any known marine creature's call. Some speculated it was a giant sea monster, while others thought it might be an underwater volcanic eruption. But even with technological advances, the true cause of the Bloop remains unknown. Attempts to decode its origin have only led to more questions than answers. So, whether it's a monstrous sea creature's call or an echo of an underwater seismic event, the Bloop continues to baffle and fascinate us. The source of the Bloop remains a mystery, adding another layer of intrigue to our oceans. Number 8 takes us to the myth of the lost city of Atlantis. This legendary city, shrouded in mystery and intrigue, is said to have been home to an advanced civilization far beyond their time. Ancient texts speak of a city adorned with gold, silver, and exotic materials, a true testament to the grandeur of this civilization. Atlantis was a beacon of knowledge, innovation, and power, a utopia that existed in harmony with the sea. Yet, this great city vanished without a trace. According to the ancient philosopher Plato, Atlantis met a tragic end, sinking into the ocean in a single day and night of misfortune. Its sudden disappearance has left scholars puzzled for centuries. Could a city of such magnificence simply sink into the sea? Or was it a victim of a cataclysmic event? Perhaps the city never existed at all and is merely a myth. The existence of Atlantis continues to captivate us, yet its location remains unknown. At number 7, we have a creature of legends, the giant squid. This magnificent beast of the deep is shrouded in mystery. Often considered the stuff of folklore and sailor tales, the elusive giant squid is very much a reality of our world. Measuring up to 43 feet for females and 33 feet for males, the giant squid is one of the largest known invertebrates on the planet. Yet, despite their impressive size, they remain largely unseen by human eyes. Why is that, you ask? Well, these creatures reside in the darkest depths of the ocean, as far as 2,000 feet below the surface. They're masters of hide and seek, making them difficult to study and understand. The few sightings we've had reveal a creature as fascinating as it is fearsome, with its enormous eyes and long, whip-like tentacles. The giant squid remains one of the ocean's most elusive creatures. Number 6 brings us to the Saso Sea, the sea without shores. Imagine a sea that isn't bound by land but by ocean currents. That's the Saso Sea for you, a fascinating enigma in the heart of the Atlantic Ocean. This sea is unique, unlike any other, with its golden brown sargassum seaweed floating above its deep blue waters. This peculiar sea boasts an ecosystem that has intrigued scientists for centuries. The floating sargassum provides a haven for a myriad of marine life, from tiny hatchlings to predatory fish. Not only does it harbor life, but it also mystifies with its strange properties. The water here is distinctive, warmer and saltier than surrounding areas, and its calm, eerily still surface, often shrouded in fog, adds to its mysterious allure. The Saso Sea holds many secrets, from shipwrecks swallowed by its depths to tales of vessels trapped in its seaweed. Despite advancements in technology, this intriguing sea remains largely unexplored. The Saso Sea, a sea within a sea, continues to baffle scientists. Halfway through, at number 5, we have the Great Blue Hole. This enormous submarine sinkhole off the coast of Belize is a wonder to behold. Formed during several episodes of Quaternary glaciation, its circular shape and deep blue color are mesmerizing. Despite its fame and allure, the Great Blue Hole is largely unexplored. Its depths hide complex mineral formations and diverse marine life, shrouded in darkness and mystery. The Great Blue Hole, a marine sinkhole that still holds many secrets. Number 4 takes us to the deepest part of our oceans, the Mariana Trench. This underwater marvel, located in the western Pacific Ocean, is a crescent-shaped scar in the Earth's crust that stretches over 2,000 miles. Its deepest point, known as the Challenger Deep, plunges about 7 miles below the ocean surface. To put that into perspective, if Mount Everest were dropped into the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. Exploring the Mariana Trench is a daunting task. The immense pressure, freezing temperatures, and complete darkness make it a hostile environment for humans. Despite these challenges, only a handful of manned expeditions have reached its depths, offering us a glimpse into this alien world. Yet, the Mariana Trench is home to a myriad of unique, mysterious creatures that have adapted to survive in these extreme conditions. The Mariana Trench, a place we know so little about, despite it being the deepest part of our planet. At number 3, we introduce you to the Milky Sea Phenomenon. Now, imagine sailing through an ocean that's gleaming like a field of stars under the night sky. It's not a scene from a fantasy novel, but a real-life spectacle known as the Milky Sea Phenomenon. This is a rare occurrence where vast expanses of ocean water, sometimes as large as the state of Connecticut, glow a ghostly blue. The magic behind this phenomenon lies in bioluminescent bacteria, primarily a type called Vibrio Harvey. These tiny organisms illuminate the sea when they reach a certain population density, creating a light show that's visible even from space. While the exact triggers for this event remain a mystery, it's believed that the luminescence might be a defense mechanism against predators or perhaps a way to attract food. Though we have some understanding of this incredible occurrence, there is still so much to learn about this awe-inspiring marine spectacle. This bioluminescent spectacle, another of the ocean's beautiful mysteries. Almost there, at number 2, the singing whales. The vast ocean is often silent, but not when the whales sing. These majestic creatures of the deep have long been known for their complex songs, a symphony of sounds that can travel for miles underwater. But the mystery lies in the meaning behind these melodies. Each song, unique to its singer, is like a fingerprint, a personal signature that whales use to communicate. But what are they saying? Some scientists suggest these songs could be a form of long-distance communication, or perhaps a mating call, while others believe they might be a way for whales to navigate the ocean's depths. Even more intriguing is the fact that these songs evolve over time. Each year, the whales introduce new themes, phrases, and variations, making their songs an ever-changing masterpiece. Despite years of study, the full meaning and purpose of these songs remain largely unknown to us. The songs of the whales, a melody with a mystery. Finally, at number 1, the ocean's unknown species. The deep, dark depths of the world's oceans are a mystery to us. They hold an estimated millions, possibly billions, of undiscovered species. With more than 70% of our planet covered in water, it's no surprise that the ocean is a treasure trove of undiscovered life. Scientists believe that the depths of the ocean, from the mid-water zone to the abyssal depths, may host a plethora of unknown organisms. These creatures, adapted to survive the crushing pressures, lack of light, and cold temperatures, may well be unlike anything we've ever seen. How do these species live? What do they eat? How do they survive? These questions remain largely unanswered, making these unknown species the most tantalizing mystery of the ocean. The undiscovered species, the ocean's greatest mystery, reminding us how much we have yet to explore. This vast, uncharted territory beckons us to dive deeper, to learn more, and to continue our quest of discovery. From the Bermuda Triangle to unknown species, the ocean is full of mysteries. This vast aquatic world holds secrets from the eerie sounds of the Bloop to the elusive giant squids. Its uncharted territories like the Saso Sea and the Mariana Trench continue to baffle us. Even phenomena like the Milky Sea and the singing whales add to its enigma. The ocean's unexplored expanses promise more revelations, more mysteries. As we continue to explore, who knows what other secrets the ocean might reveal.